The management and cultural club of a housing society, City Lights Residency, wants more of the residents to attend and participate in the annual fair held in the society. To achieve this goal, it plans to invite a fairly well-known singer along with its troupe to perform live at the fair. This attraction is part from having the regular recreational activities, shopping stalls, and food stalls that are arranged every year. The management believes that inviting this singer will certainly increase the number of residents attending the fair. Which of the following, if true, will most likely support the prediction of the management and the consultant club that more residents will participate in the fair? Option A. The cultural club regularly keeps residents of the society posted about any events being conducted in the society. Option B. Many other housing societies in the vicinity have organized similar annual fairs with greater participation. Option C. Research has proven that people are inclined to attend events which have live music that's performed. And option D. Most of the residents in the housing society have acquaintances in the neighboring societies and they visit them often. So we have to support the prediction of the management. So what is the prediction of the management? The management clearly believes that inviting the singer will certainly increase the number of residents attending the fair. So if the singer comes, the number of residents would increase. This is the management prediction. We have to support it. So we have to give a very strong reason for inviting that well-known singer. So whichever option gives you a strong reason for inviting that singer, right? Hence, the number of residents would increase. That would be our correct answer option. So let's take a look at the options one by one. Option A, the cultural club regularly keeps residents of the society posted about any events being conducted in the society. Now again, A is clearly incorrect because we don't know the result of the cultural club informing the residents of such events. Right? We want to know whether the residents will participate in that events, right? So only if that is known, then we could support the management prediction. So option A can be eliminated. Many other housing societies in the vicinity have organized similar annual fairs with great participation. Now, comparing these societies to other ones is again not a good idea. And we also know the similarities and difference. We don't know the similarities and difference between this society with the other society. So how different it is, how similar it is, we have no clue. So this is an out of scope answer. So B is eliminated. Moving on to option C. Research has proven that people are inclined to attend events where live music is performed. C is closest answer because it's clearly giving us a reason for inviting a well-known singer. Right? So they have clearly shown that research has clearly shown that if a singer attends the event, more people are expected. So option C can be kept on hold. Moving on to option D. Most of the residents in this housing society have acquaintances in the neighborhood states and they visit them often. D can also be eliminated because this is irrelevant to the issue. The fact that residents of the society visit their acquaintances in other society cannot support the management's prediction that more people are going to attend the fair. So option D is eliminated. The correct answer should be option C.